Welcome to the tutorial. Today we're going to be creating a Right, so to start off, we'll add a part and we'll rename that button. Inside the button we're going to need a script, a sound and a click detector. We're going to start off by referencing the things we need, so that will be local button equals script.Parent, and then we'll need to say local sound equals button.Sound, and then we'll say local enabled equals false. Oops. Right, anyone that's seen my previous video, the red alert video, will recognize this code because it is very similar. Now we have to type button.ClickDetector.MouseClick (connect). Inside here I'll write function. I still don't know why, but I do. Right, and then we'll say if enabled is equal to false, then enabled equals true. I will explain this in a bit, and then we'll say sound play, else enabled equals false, sound stop. Oops. Right, there we go. Okay, so I'll explain this. We've referenced what we need for this to work, so that's the button and the sound, and then here we've referenced the click detector. I'll just explain this script.Parent. This is the script, the parent of that is button, and the child, anything underneath this is the child, okay? And then reference the sound, and then I said button because the button exists already, so I said button.Sound. Local enable false, what that means is basically it's switched off. So button click detector, mouse click, blah 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 blah. That's saying that when we click it, and then anything that is coded here is what's going to happen when that button is clicked. So this is saying if enabled is false, which it was, then now it's true. So once you've clicked it, if it wasn't already playing something, now it's turned on. Okay, and then it's saying sound play, it's going to play your sound, which is here. Or else, if you press it and it was already on, it's going to turn it off. So enabled will equal false and the sound will stop. I hope that makes sense, and didn't to me when I started. So the next thing we need to do is get a sound. So if I can, I'll go to Toolbox, and I've already got this open. Brilliant. I'll add that, and then I'll get the ID from here, and I will paste it into the sound ID here. So we should be ready to test that, but one thing I'm going to say is the roll-off max distance here, that's quite a lot of studs, that. So that's going to cover most of your game, if not all of it. So I'm going to change this to 30, but you can obviously do what you want. Roll-off minimum distance is going to be, in this case, it will be 10 studs until it starts to decrease. And then when it gets to 30 studs, then you won't be able to hear the sound. Okay, so you would walk 10 studs and then there will be a diminuendo until you reach 30 studs. Okay? Right. Sorry. Let's test that. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye.